Yeah, we're so sorry about that. I need to um yeah restart. But yeah, I'm back again. So um good afternoon or good morning, good evening, kumusta everyone, and yeah, welcome to the session. So today we will have a participatory discussion about. Okay, do you want to say hello? Okay, thank you. Sorry about that. So yeah, today we will have a very participatory discussion about community engagement and channels. But before we start, here are some of our learning objectives. So in this session, we hope that, or after this session, we hope that you will understand more about OpenStreetMap and the community of communities, as well. Sorry. Okay, let's go back. Sorry about that. And yeah, second one, we hope that yeah, after this session, you will determine where are your local OpenStreetMap communities, be it geographically or thematic. So you can start engaging, especially for interns here who are not part of a community yet. And also share some ideas on how to effectively engage with OSM communities and contributors, and yeah, as well as how we can better share our space with others. Okay, so yeah, some tools that we will use today is this slide deck presentation. I will be presenting, and I know after this session, Becky will be able to share with you the presentation link and also, the Jamboard, which I think I already sent via the chat, supposed to be to Becky first, but Becky, if you can share the link to the Jamboard, because want this to be interactive, and of course, always remember that there's no wrong answers in this um, session. Let me turn off my video in case I get low bandwidth. So yeah, anyone here, just show of hands if you need a quick demonstration on how to use Jamboard. Going once, going twice. Everyone familiar with Jamboard? Can I get just a thumbs up? Any response?
Oh, yes.
Thank you. Who's that? Is that Derek? Thank you, Derek. Yeah. So but first, for those who doesn't know me, I know I've met some of you here. I joined Retro or Reflection Day before, but yeah, those who doesn't know me or I wasn't able to meet yet. Yeah, my name is Arnali, and I'll be the facilitator for this session. So we will have another session later with Benedicta, and it will be the same, but you are welcome to attend to that as well. So I'm a Filipina, and I'm based in the land of many islands called the Philippines, found in the Southeast Asia. And I've been an active contributor of and trainer of OpenStreetMap Philippines since 2016. And in late 2020, I joined as online community engagement lead for HUT. So now it's your time to introduce yourself. So now we have our first Jamboard activity. So please go to the Jamboard tiny. You can see it in your screen, or here's the shorter or the link. Thank you, Becky. So get a sticky notes, type in your name, your location, and also I think you're familiar with this tool already, the how do you contribute by Pascal Nice. So go to that and put in your OSM username, and see what's your top one, what is the top one country you edited. Of course, you are in view mode. Sorry about that. I'm gonna edit editor access for everyone. Okay, so yeah, just yeah, refresh your browser, and then yeah, I believe the access should be updated. So yeah, can I ask, do you still see my slides or do you see the Jamboard?
The Jamboard already.
Okay, wonderful, thank you. Yeah, so yeah, I'll give you 2 minutes to answer the Jamboard. So yeah, again, put your name and your country of location, as well as yeah, but according to how do you contribute web page, what's your top one country that you edited in OpenStreetMap. That's fine, that happens. We move we move some some stuff in the Jamboard, but yeah, no worries. Thank you. Please put in your country of location. Where are you based? And also, yeah, your top one, uh, the top one country you edit in OpenStreetMap. Wonderful. Anil is from Nepal or is based in Nepal and also mapping your own country. Top one country that he edited is also Nepal. Let's see. Another Nepal from Supat. Derek is also, yeah, Uganda and top one uh, country edited is also Uganda. Wonderful. Yeah, so I'll give 30 more seconds. That's fine. Yeah. So I think you make sure that yeah you pick the sticky notes and yeah on the center and make sure it is selected when you see like a blue boundary box. Wonderful. Array, Turkey. Hi. Kingsley, Nigeria. And Nigeria. Jerome, Philippines, and then Philippines. Wonderful. So yeah, keep that coming. Keep moving the the picture. That's fine. So yeah, let's go back to our presentation. So yeah, we'll see. We'll go back. We can go back later and yeah, see who's yeah if there's like a different from the country you're based now and also your top one edited in OpenStreetMap. So yeah, so as you know, you can also check individual stats through your OSM profile. You can see your edits, your notes, your traces. You can even uh, put like a blog. We call it OSM diary, and yeah, some comments that you make. And yeah, you can also see your individual stats through your tasking manager profile. I believe you know this too well, but yeah, in case you don't, yeah, these are some other tools where you can see your individual stats, the HDYC, how do you contribute? We are using for the first Jamboard activity. So yeah, it just yeah give you your mapping days, map changes, and yeah, your current or your most recent mapping days, as well as yeah, how many nodes, ways, relations you created, deleted, modified, and yeah, etc. There's also the YOSUM. Anyone knows what this means? Anyone? You if you know, or yeah, if you're happy to share us what this means. No one knows. So this is actually what's in here, your OpenStreet map heat map. Yeah, still by Pascal Lee. So yeah, it's more of yeah the visual representation on where you contribute or where you most contribute in OpenStreetMap. So yeah, And yeah, you can also see, if you feel competitive, you can also see, or you can also use, there's a tool called OSM Fight. You just have to put two usernames. So yeah, of course here, who do you think will win? Arnely Elsewhere or Becky Candy? Put your bets in the chat. Go. Come on, guys. Wake up.
Oh, Anali,
Arnely, thank you.
please
Who's
share the
that?
link for
Derek.
OSM fight.
Yeah, thank you, Derek. Becky. Oh, Arne. Wow, we're on time today. So let's see who will win. Okay, I forgot to insert. So yeah, put on your bets on the chat, and we will see who's who wins the fight. Drum roll. Oh wow, Frank. Later we'll see. You can, whoever wins this fight uh can fight with Frank. And let's see. Oh, 7. Becky 0. Arnely, what? Yeah, I don't really I don't really trust this. No, just kidding. But yeah, there are this, yeah, congratulations, Becky. So yeah, this OSM fight is, yeah, more on your mapping activities in OpenStreetMap. So yeah, as you can see, the winner of this fight is Becky, no other than Becky. So yeah, Becky gets all the bragging rights. So you can explore more. You can check your intern to intern, if you want to have, if you want to see, like, who has this more mapping days, more GPS traces, and all those stuff. Yeah. And then so we go back to the main event. OpenStreetMap, and also part of this session is understanding that OpenStreetMap is a community of communities. And as you all know, OpenStreetMap is a crowdsourced community project to map the whole world. So without the community, without the mappers and validators and learners and community engagers in OpenStreetMap, developers, maintainers of the server, it will not, or OpenStreetMap will not work. So again, let's do this, another Jamboard activity. Go to board 2 and let us know if you are part of the MAPI community. So to go to board 2, you just click on the arrow on that topmost. Then you will see. So if you are part, or you feel that you belong to a community or a mapping community, GIS community, GEO community, put your name stick your name and the MAPI community near the yes part. If not, then put your name in the no part. So 2 minutes activity again. There's no wrong answers here. So don't feel intimidated if you're the only one in the no. That's fine. That's why we're having this conversation. So we can, if you're happy and would like to connect to a community, we can help you with that. So just put in your name if you're part of a MAPI community, or you're participating in discussion and you feel that you belong in that community, please do so. Wow. Okay, let's just put this thing very small, so you don't. So let's say yes here. Wonderful. Lots of Nepal, Turkey, OSM Turkey, there's OSM Kenya, youth mappers, wonderful. Okay, 1 more minute. If you run out of sticky notes, of course you can always get a sticky note on the left part of your screen, fourth from the top of the panel. Nice. Wonderful. Meta project in Indonesia. Interesting. London missing maps, Ralph. Yeah, lots of geographic community here as well as youth mappers. Wonderful. Everyone here, so we have 22 people, 20. Yeah, I think we're still lacking around 5 people. So yeah, Benedicta and Becky, feel free to participate as well. Ah, you couldn't access Livia. Can you try to refresh your browser? Because yeah, I just updated the permission. So yeah, if you can um just refresh it. So yeah, try to see access. If not, yeah, Becky, if you can help Divya to gain access. Thank you. Yeah, wonderful youth mappers. So yeah, everyone has a mapping community except for Olua Toyin. Yeah, wonderful. So yeah, don't worry, Olua Toyin. Yeah, will help you. Oh yeah, there is. Sorry. Okay. Yeah. So no one. Oh, there's. Thank you for the boundary there. Wonderful. No, that's fine. Okay, great. So yeah, great to know that everyone in this room belongs to a MAPI community already. So yeah, I don't think we don't need this session. Just kidding. But yeah, that's fine. I can show you some more tips and share some tips on how to share your space within your community. And then OpenStreetMap is a community of communities. So you can see that there are communities, lots of communities, and the most common is those geographic area or geographic area communities. So for example, per country, OpenStreetMap Indonesia. There's also regional, more larger scope. Yeah, this is a community in Latin America. There's also the OpenStreetMap community in the US, which is just one country, but because of the 50 states, there's just lots of people in the US community, and the very vibrant community in Ghana. And there's also thematic communities. So communities are not limited to geographical area. So for example, the very great youth mappers, where their theme or their main uh, target communities are building youth mappers. So we have other communities such as bike communities that map in OpenStreetMap. There's mental health awareness advocates. There's women advocates and LGBTQ rights advocates mapping in OpenStreetMap, like Mapbex and all that very mappy communities. But let me just introduce to you another thematic communities that I am proud of is the Humanitarian Open Mapping Community Working Group. So this is chaired by Chisholm and Benedicta, also DQ Data Quality Internship alumni. So after being in the Data Quality Internship program, they were able to continue their participation with HOT, and they stayed in the community working group. So the working group supports community to thrive as part of the global humanitarian open mapping movement. So you can learn more about the community working group by going to the page or going to this website, bit.ly/community working group. And there is, of course, other hot working groups that you can be part of. And yeah, everyone is welcome to join the hot working groups. There's also OpenStreetMap Foundation working groups. But yeah, for the purpose of this session, yeah, I'd like to introduce you to this 7 active working groups at hot. So yeah, we have yeah, activation working group supports disaster mapping. They are in the hashtag disaster mapping channel in Slack. So yeah, they build activators community to support disaster mapping or disaster related mapping. Of course, community working group, more on the engagement. We're in the hashtag community working group on Slack. Governance working groups, yeah, more if you're into governance, making policies and procedures. I think, yeah, governance working group is a great one for you. There's also the tasking manager, which is facilitated by the tech team. There's also training working group who creates training materials and hosts webinars. So yeah, if you're into OSM training, we especially if your language is not English like French and Spanish. So yeah, we still lack that multilinguality in the training working group. So yeah, feel free to go to the hashtag training WG in Slack. And yeah, I think very related to what you're doing now as data quality interns is the quality control and assurance working group. Yeah, so not just for validating tasks in the tasking manager or OpenStreetMap, but they also set the standards for data quality or creates processes on how to escalate problems that's encountered in relation to data quality. And also, if you're into events, if you want to help us plan and organize the annual Hot Summit, so yeah, Hot Summit is the best for you. So yeah, you can go to the working group calendar shown in your screen, bit.ly/hotwg, all caps. This is very case sensitive. So you can see the upcoming meetings of each working group. So yeah, I encourage everyone to join a working group. And yeah, if you would like to know more, so yeah, I also prepared like question in the Jamboard on which working group are you interested to join. So yeah, go to the board 3. Yeah, go to board 3 and just put your name and stick it out on which working group. Yeah, top 2. So yeah, you get to choose your top 2. If you want top 3 or all of them you're interested to join, please feel free to add your name. But I'm asking you this because in the next 2 weeks, starting next week, we have invited working group chairpersons and member for an Ask Me Anything session. And we will match you depending on your interest. So you can get to meet and greet the chairperson or working group members. So if you can do top 2 that you're really interested. But if you're interested to know everything, then feel free to put all your names. Thank you for the boundary. I should have done that. Put your name, okay? Don't forget to put your name. So I can match you with the with the working group that you like.
Anna, where can I find the activation working group?
What's that?
Activation working group.
What's your question?
Where can I find it? Because I can't see it here.
No, it's in the. Oh, so were you able to go to the board 3? So you move your Jamboard in the board 3, and activation working group is the first one actually on the top left of your screen.
Okay, for me, I don't see it. Maybe let me refresh my.
Yeah, it's in the topmost. Oh, someone's Deleting, that's fine. Quality control. Oh, sorry, Ray. I'm moving you. Okay, but yeah, if you can't see, you can just put like your name and then the working group because, yeah, yes, like Sanjita did, training and activation. Wonderful. Thank you, Sanjita. Risky and Divya, is this the Hot Summit? Did I read this correctly? That yeah, you like the Hot Summit? Okay, wonderful. Quality control, Coco. Yeah, lots of here. Quality control. Wonderful. So training, Rizky and Danielle. We're having yeah, it's fine with or without, but yeah, I think yeah. Thank you for the curly lines. Love it. Not all spaces are defined by straight lines. By Mapex. Wonderful. So yeah, keep those coming. So yeah, we can match you with the AMA speaker. And yeah, we will yeah, if quality control is the most requested, then yeah, we will make sure that someone from the working group be available for that AMA session. Wonderful. Governance, anyone? Yeah, great. So yeah, keep those coming. I'll get back to that again later. Yeah, I'm very happy to see the enthusiasm of everyone in the room. So yeah, why is yeah joining a working group or joining a community important? Why is coming together important? So yeah, this is just an illustration because yeah this is a charcoal we used to burn things, and as you can see, if you only have one charcoal, it cannot ignite a fire. You can start it, but it doesn't ignite a big fire. But if you go or join together lots of charcoal, a collective charcoal can ignite that fire. So yeah, that's why yeah I believe that why communities are important, because yeah, if it's just me, Arnally, doing community working group, doing yeah the advocacies that I do, like yeah one name, yeah it's really hard to do that. So yeah, I encourage you to build your own tribe, or uh, join the tribe, find your tribe to be able to push for the things that matter to you. And yeah, in the open mapping, there's yeah lots of working groups. In hot, you can start in that in your local communities. If there is one, you can go to that and join your community. If not, you can be a community builder. And if not, let's talk about that. If you feel like, oh, I don't think there is community, there is an existing community in my country, then yeah, let's talk about that. PM me. But yeah, we'll see later on the channels where you can find out your community. So yeah, my example there on yeah how we reignited the fire in OpenStreetMap community in the Philippines. So this is yeah just sharing my story. So yeah, for example, yeah, when Typhoon Haiyan hit the Philippines in 2013, local and international map contributed to map the affected areas. And as a result of that, mapping 22 days, we gathered mobilized 1,500 volunteers coming from 82 countries with yeah lots, millions and millions of OpenStreetMap changes. And this map changes, the impact of this doing the base map or creating the map for the affected area is that yeah international organization like American Red Cross use OpenStreetMap, use open data for the relief efforts in the country. And also, yeah, some local government units in the Philippines, like the Department of Social Welfare and Development, which is also ally in open data, also used open data in that relief efforts. So from 2013, here we are now in 2016. We held we held the second State of the Map Asia in 2016. And yeah, as you know, this year, 2022, we're hosting the State of the Map Asia in Asia again. So yeah, if anyone here is joining that, yeah, I'm very looking forward uh, to meet you there. And also, yeah, we not only do mapping parties or mapathons, we also celebrated like the OpenStreetMap 16th birthday in 2019. This was before the pandemic, the last time we celebrated OpenStreetMap community birthday. So yeah, hopefully next year we'll be able to do this again. And yeah, Karen, of course you can join. Just going back, I saw there's a question from Karen here. Of course you can join the working groups. Yeah, Becky, if you can share the link bit.ly/hatwg, all caps hatwg. So yeah, you can go to the meetings, or yeah, you can also join the Slack channels if you're not familiar yet, or you want to check first the working group by Slack before you join the meeting. But Karen, you can go to the board tree earlier, and put which working group you are most interested in. So yeah, I can match you with the working group member or chairperson for the Ask Me Anything sessions within the next 2 weeks. Thank you for your question. So yeah, that's OpenStreetMap. So again, in relation to that, sorry, I forgot. So yeah, as I was saying earlier, pandemic hits. So yeah, we needed to, we still try to communicate with each other. We can't always see each other. So yeah, there are lots of online communication and tools and spaces where we can interact with each other. So for that, let's go to the board 4 and put there or answer the question: which online community, online channels or media do you use to interact with and connect with fellow mappers? So yeah, you can choose your top 2 and copy paste +1 sticky notes. Thank you for the boundary. Love it. Yeah, so yeah, just put like +1. Of course, you can always copy paste that +1. Oh, sorry about that. I think I put like lots of +1 here. So yeah, you can get a +1 on the top right of your screen. Yeah, let's see which one is the favorite. Why are you deleting it? It's fine. Yeah, so let's have 2 minutes to answer that question. I think, someone doesn't like the show. Wow. Wonderful. There's a note here. Yeah. Last one. Yeah. Derek is Slack. Can I ask Derek why do you why do you think, or what do you like most about Slack and Twitter?
No, actually, Slack, people always come there to guide you, and it's also simple to use.
Nice, wonderful. But you're in your community in Uganda. Which community channels do you mostly use? Is it Slack too?
No, honestly, we use WhatsApp here in Uganda. We use WhatsApp most, you know.
Wonderful. Thank you. Yeah, lots of here on
Yeah.
Slack. Thank you, Derek. Wonderful. Yeah.
Oh, you're welcome.
Anyone would like to also share what's the most common uh, online channel or social media your you interact with most with your fellow mappers? Someone, yeah, wonderful. Who put the +1 in Discord? May I ask you? Can you unmute yourself if you're comfortable, or yeah, just chat? Yeah, does that mean just a question like, does your community have their own Discord instance, or yeah, is it the community that OpenStreetMap.org that you use? Great. Yeah, so yeah, you can see there's a lot of channels here. There's Slack, uh, mailing list. This is actually mailing list. WhatsApp. There's lots of chats here. Twitter and Facebook, social media, Lumio and Discord, more on a forum type community channel. So yeah, we all have different preferences, and that's really depending on the person, right? So yeah, let's have some quick discussion. Yeah, what do you think it is important to know these channels, or to know where to communicate, or with your fellow mappers? May I hear from Japhet? I believe Japhet has lots of wonderful ideas. Japhet, feel free to answer my question by the chat, or let's discuss. Or yeah, anyone here?
Hi, Emily.
Hi, Angela. Thank you. Yeah, let me know, why do you think it is important to know these channels, or yeah, to interact with your community?
Well, I'll give an example of my case before I actually had some training as a quality, as in for this training we're doing right now, data quality insurance. I didn't know much about mapping in OSM. So
Mm.
having links to the channel allows you to like invite people who are able to train the community on how to use the different tools that we use in OSM, and also introduce them to youth mappers and experience, and also inspire the community so that they can actually have higher expectations and goals. So thank you.
Mhm. Wonderful. Thank you, Angela. Yeah, for finding trainers, finding mappers. If you have any concerns, if you have any clarification, that's a very wonderful ideas. And I see, you know what, because of you, Angela, everyone is now participating. Thank you. So thank you,
Thank you.
Anil, yeah. See how you ignite the fire of people in the room. That's it. Yeah. Odolana, to easily interact, to easily communicate and help solve problems. Wonderful. Thank you, Benedicta. Share knowledge sharing, and also risky clarify or confusing tagging in the map, of course. So thank you all, keep them coming. Utilize the chat, and since this is recorded, we can will document that. Wonderful. So I'm gonna show you some channels where you can find mappers, or where you can find a community. So we have a thing called the OpenStreetMap Community Index. So that's the link is OpenStreetMap.community. So in the OSM Community Index, you can see the list of OSM community channels. So for example, you go to or click the polygon in your area. So it will list like the mailing list, Facebook, Twitter and everything that the particular geographic community has. And yeah, if you are part of the community and you think there is a lacking community channel in this community index, there is also a way to add or contribute, try to update it. And yeah, I believe it is in GitHub, but yeah, you can try to reach out for the to the developer. So yeah, I encourage you to explore that index and yeah, go join a community channel that yeah, for example, you're from South Africa and you're mapping Uruguay, then yeah, it is best to you can always check the OpenStreetMap community index, so you can see yeah which channels the community or the local community is using. It may not be the countrywide, it can be like a regional wide, since yeah, some communities doesn't have their community in the country as well, but yeah, you can also check the regional wide. And of course, I saw someone put Discord. So this is a very new community channel in OpenStreetMap. It's the forum type. So yeah, you can check the community.openstreetmap.org, the official OSM community forum. And yeah, you can check all the thread. There are categories per community there. So you can see country specific community. There's also, yeah, those thematic areas like multilinguality. I believe there's also a humanitarian there. People are, yeah, talking about biking, cycling, and all that good stuff. So yeah, if you think your community doesn't have a space yet or a category in the OSM community forum, then yeah, you can request for a category. So yeah. And yeah, of course, always a mailing list. There, some people still talk in the mailing list, but yeah, we're trying to switch to to modernize our OSM community channels through the forum. But of course, yeah, you're welcome also to participate in the mailing list, especially yeah if you want like a very low bandwidth community channel. And yeah, there's also yeah discussions in the OSM wiki page. So yeah, if you go to wiki.openstreetmap.org and yeah, you go to a page, especially yeah, I saw earlier, um, yeah, Risky said about tagging in the map. So a lot of tagging conventions and tagging conventions in OpenStreetMap are all documented in the wiki. So yeah, if you have any question, for example, yeah, tagging greenhouses, you can see that. And then if you have clarifications, you can use the discussion tab here in OSM wiki. And this is kind of a new one as well, or yeah, Martine, the developer of Map Relay, also developed this Meet Your Mappers. So yeah, you can go to a personal to a target area of community, and yeah, you can check who are the mappers mapping in your area. So it's not necessarily that those mappers are from that area, because yeah, OpenStreetMap is, yeah, you can edit anywhere, right? But yeah, you can see like the recent changes of who's mapping in your area. And yeah, you can, have some coffee chat with them, and also ignite the fire on some thematic areas that yeah you want to improve in your map. Yeah, there's also OSM users diary. So this is more like your personal space when you can blog. I believe lots of you here are already using this. Shout out to, I think it was, Kingsley, that has that updates his OSM diary about the hot data quality internship. So yeah, that's your personal space. So yeah, feel free to post whatever you like, your reflections in the data quality internship, what you're mapping, and everything. So yeah, and people can comment on your diary if they have questions, or yeah, comments about what you were writing. Divya, I see you unmuted. Do you have any questions? Okay. Wonderful. No, yeah, no worries. Yeah. And of course, there's also comments in the comments on OSM's change sets. There's also questions and comments in the tasking manager. So yeah, those are some tools or some spaces where you can communicate with mappers, especially on mapping a certain areas. So in the like video call or call and video platforms. So yeah, this is just some examples or common platforms that we use in video call. So we use Mumble. It's or we rarely use Mumble right now. So it's a voice based um platform where you can talk with communities. And Big Blue Button, Jitsi, Zoom, and Google Meet are video call platforms. So any others not mentioned, you can go to board 5. So if you know any other tools that you can use to find communities and contributors or to interact with communities and contributors. So thank you, Mark Jerome. I use the search engine for Facebook to see different mapping communities. Lots of mapping communities or OpenStreetMap communities are in Facebook. So we're doing this asynchronously since we're kind of running out of time. So please in your own time, maybe after this session you can go back to this Jamboard. We'll have this Jamboard open for you to go back to those boards. Wonderful. So let's continue. So this is one of the last slides, or our last learning objectives. So I just want to share some tips on how to effectively engage with communities or contributors. So I've been working in the online community space for almost two years now. But I think it's my generation when Facebook, Multiply, MySpace, Friendster has started. Like I think I started going to internet and interacting with people roughly around 2006 or 2007, when internet is getting popularity, and all these social media are getting popularity. So I'm these are just some of the tips that I learned over time, and also in my work at HUT. So if you have, I think the very first and the most important thing to remember is to identify your audience, and who you think this message should go to. Should it be privately? Should it be publicly? Especially when you'd like to complain or clarify. For example, that you see that a mapper is mapping incorrectly. So let's not shame people publicly. Let's not go to Slack and, hey, these people is not mapping correctly. How do we go about that? But I think the first step there is to directly go, or directly message that person first. So he or she doesn't feel shamed about, because all of us are learning here. That mapper might be a new mapper. So I hope that if you see bad quality mapping or complaints, that you reach out first directly to the person. If you're not comfortable reaching out to that person, there are other persons. For example, moderators in OpenStreetMap community, in the OpenStreetMap community forum. You can go to them, or if you see it in OpenStreetMap, you can always go to the OpenStreetMap community index and see which community channels people are using, and yeah, you can talk to the community here that yeah, hey, I see some some bad mappings here, and yeah, I'd like to connect with him or her, or them. Yeah, is anyone here knows how I can contact this mapper and all that stuff. So yeah, just be mindful to not shame others, and yeah, to identify your audience, who this message should go. And yeah, always remember, does this need to be private, does this need to be public. And yeah, if it's like a general comment, yeah, how do I tag how do I tag ponds in OpenStreetMap? Like, I think those kind of stuff you can go publicly, because yeah, it's also a learning environment. A person can also see your post and see, oh wow, this is something I don't know how to tag, and yeah, thanks for this person for asking. So yeah, I think yeah, that's the most important one that I really want to impart to you on, yeah, how you can effectively engage or communicate with fellow mappers, with your communities. And of course, after that, when you identify who your audience, or who you want to give feedback to, then yeah, know which channels to reach them. You can always go back to the community index, community forum, Slack, and everything. And yeah, some tips on how to clearly communicate is that you can please clearly to have a clear message, be direct to the point, be not too not too short or not too long, but I'm more leaning on putting it as like, if you're gonna be direct, be direct with your message, and yeah, make it shorter. And of course, use inclusive language. As you know, in the online space, we can't see people. I mean, we can't hear people, we can see people, especially when we use chat. So we don't know how they feel, or how they interact. So you can always, yeah, do like, oh, this person is, just a neutral person, no emojis and stuff. But yeah, if you're a person who's like emojis, like me, I really love emojis. You can, yeah, make use of that to also, show your emotion. Or yeah, but yeah, I think yeah, the rule of thumb here, like, yeah, don't feel intimidated or don't feel offended, especially when people are just asking questions, because yeah, you can't see them and you can hear them. And if you don't get their question, just, you can always ask for clarification, because yeah, there's no stupid questions. Always make sure that, if you always think that if you are asking that, then that just means that you are willing to learn. And yeah, it's not stupid, or it's not wrong to ask questions when you don't know. Yeah, it's better to ask now than to make mistakes later. And of course, yeah, there are channels that have code of conduct, so, or yeah, etiquette guidelines. So yeah, make sure to also follow those, read those. And I think yeah, I'm a very firm believer and advocate of code of conducts, because yeah, I think code of conduct make it safe for everyone, make people welcome, to interact in a space, or in a shared channel or shared space. And yeah, try to also localize, use local time and local language if possible. Yeah, and if not, like, yeah, there are translators there are event timers there that yeah, you can use. So sorry, yeah, so asynchronously again, I would like to end with this question on, yeah, how would you share space with others, or yeah, any tips or tricks that yeah, you have learned, that yeah, how you can effectively communicate, coordinate, interact with other people, with fellow mappers, with your fellow OpenStreetMap or hot or interns. You can, yeah, just say, yeah, how do you share your space with interns, for example, in the Slack channel that we all have? How do you ensure that all voices are heard? How do you ensure that yeah, you don't you don't intimidate, or you feel that you make everyone welcome in your space. So yeah, and with that, I'm so sorry. I can be here 5 more minutes if you have any questions. So yeah, and also there's also a board 7 there on yeah, any feedback that you'd like to share, so we can improve this session. So yeah, just let us know what you think we did good, what you think was not good. For example, time management, and yeah, what they think how we can improve. So yeah, let's do that asynchronously. Back to those to those questions. And yeah, also, yeah, and please make sure to, yeah, if you want me to reach out to you directly, make sure that, yeah, you put your this one has a hair now, to put, sorry, to put your name, so yeah, I can reach out to you directly. Me or Benedicta can reach out to you directly. So yeah, 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 time is now to ask questions. If you, yeah, if you need to go and have meetings, yeah, please please feel free to go now, or yeah, drop the call. But yeah, if you don't, yeah, I'm happy to extend 5 more minutes to answer your questions. So yeah, if you have any questions, put them in the chat, or yeah, unmute yourself. Hi, any questions? You can also put your questions in the Jamboard, if if not for now. Again, there's no wrong questions or wrong or yeah, wrong answers or wrong questions. So yeah, maybe if yeah, to those people who are still hanging out here, like what maybe one thing that, yeah, you one key takeaway for this session. So it's now your time to shine, as Angela earlier, igniting the fire and initiating the conversation in the chat array. Oh, it doesn't work. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, there's a new link. So when I try to go there, it says that one. So yeah, you can check that one. But yeah, it gives you to, like, yeah, a GitHub. So yeah, I think Martine is yeah, improving the tool. So yeah, sorry about that. Questions? Yeah. Any key takeaways from the group? May I hear for, yeah, anyone here who I haven't heard yet?
Hi, Annalie, again.
Oh, Angela. Thank you. Thank you, Angela. Go ahead, Angela.
I think one of the key things that I've taken from the whole presentation is to always be kind, because we are trying to build a community of volunteers from different places, different cultures, and I think it's always important to welcome someone with a smile. Thank you.
Thank you. Wonderful. Thank you so much, Angela. Anyone? If not, going once, going twice in the chat. But yeah. Thank you so much, everyone. And yeah, I hope you learned from me today. Or yeah, from this conversation. And yeah, I'm also still learning. That's why I'm asking you, yeah, if you have any questions, anything that we can have, we can improve in this session. So yeah, I'm waiting for those feedbacks from you. And yeah, always feel free to reach out to me in Slack. Arnely is my name in there. So yeah, thank you so much, Kingsley. Idea mining, hearing different people helps in improvement and sustainability. This, yeah, new term for me, idea mining. Learn from you, Kingsley. So yeah, I'll pass to back to Becky if there's no other questions.
Awesome. I think there's no more question even in the chat. Thank you so much, Annalie, for sparing your time to speak to the interns. We greatly appreciate. So we have another session, like Annalie mentioned. Feel free to join if you want to, but it's going to be the same session, but will be led by Benedicta. Otherwise, thank you so much. Have a great day. This session has been recorded and it will be shared in case you want to review it for later. And you can continue adding your feedback in the Jamboard, right, Annalie?
Yes. Thank you so
Awesome.
much, everyone. Thank you,
Bye.
Becky.
Bye.
Have a great